we are here at Milipol. This is your playground, this is your business, this is your market, right?
Absolutely.
And how successful is the show until now?
It has been very successful. We are, I would say, almost overwhelmed by the amount of people that are visiting. Of course, after the tragic events in Paris last weekend, we were a little uncertain on how many would be coming to join the show, but it has surpassed our expectations. There's a lot of people here and also a lot of interested customers.
Yes. Well, I've been watching your company over the last few years actually, and I understood the company is growing very rapidly. Is that correct?
Absolutely. We have had some very good successes lately, especially with customers within the Special Forces and the Army military. Started in the US with the first large order in 2013, and then we followed up with some very significant contracts in the UK, in Canada, and in Australia. So we have, within the last 18 months, we've become the leading supplier of advanced communication systems for military users. But it's important to say that we also do a lot of business with non-military customers within special police, firefighting, and even heavy industry. So we are broader than just military.
Yes, and the strength of your company is that you can really very quickly adapt your solutions to that market, right?
Yes, correct. We have a wide variety of product solutions that are built on platforms, so we are able to customize to some extent the solutions to the markets and the customers that we see. So we have a possibility, whoever you are, we have a possibility of finding the right solution.
And does that mean that the solutions you're having for the military market often fit for tactics within the police, tactical forces, or just regular police operations?
A little bit of both. I think we have a width in our product portfolio that makes it possible for us to address all of the state customers. So there is a solution for everyone.
And how is the future development of your solutions? Is there a lot of change? Because we're looking at similar solutions for the last couple of years.
Yeah.
But is the business changing, or does it still be the same, more or less?
I think what we've seen in the last years is a heavily increased use of advanced modern radios or radio communication. So everyone has a radio now, and many people also have two radios. And there's a new and increased use of radio communication altogether, which has also lifted the way that you need to be able to use the kinds of products that we offer. So there's definitely a strong development in the market.
So that means a strong development in the radios. That means also a strong development in accessories.
Absolutely, definitely. So it's and also a very increased focus on performance, operational performance, which we offer through our ability to communicate in very high noise, but also a very high focus on protection in terms of protecting your hearing and being able to hear what's going on while you are hearing protected. Because in many countries there has been a high amount of hearing damages from activities, and it is fairly easy to avoid with the kind of equipment that we supply.
Yeah, because it's not the noise from a single moment. It's often a noise from over a long period, right?
Yes.
That's damaging the ear.
It's both, and it's even in the training ground that you can collect the amount of noise over time that is damaging your hearing. But as you say, it's a long-term impact, but it's also sometimes the impulse impact from very high noises or explosions or blasts that will destroy your hearing very quickly.
So if I understand very correctly what you're saying, the future looks bright for your company. Like
we are very optimistic. I think we have a very strong position now, and we can see that there are in many countries we know that there's a lot of activities going on in this area, and we definitely feel that there's a lot more to go for.
Well, I look forward to seeing you here next year and have news stories about successes from Invisio.
I'm sure we will.